Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes this week, we were talking about our families and our parents, and a student of mine asked me who I thought I take after more, my mum or my dad. My dad actually died back in 2017, but I think on balance, I probably get more from my mum. My mum is very forthright, very direct. She usually says it how she feels it. She speaks her mind most of the time. And I guess in that respect, we're quite similar. And in another way, we're also quite similar in that she doesn't suffer fools gladly. If you say that someone doesn't suffer fools gladly, a fool is like an idiot or a stupid person. So saying that someone doesn't suffer fools gladly basically means that they're not patient with people that they consider to be stupid, or with ideas that they consider to be stupid. Yeah, they don't tolerate or put up with stupidity on any level. So you might say, for example, maybe, she's very single-minded. She's also quite a private person. And it's pretty clear that she doesn't suffer fools gladly. Maybe, my dad's quite a particular kind of person. He doesn't suffer fools gladly. And in his view, most people are fools. Sometimes it's used about colleagues or bosses as well. So you might say something like, he's known by his colleagues as a very rigorous taskmaster who doesn't suffer fools gladly and who doesn't like being messed around. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use doesn't suffer fools gladly.